French doors. It's a very small section to put gutters on. And if we were to put downspouts right here, it would just look funny. And this is what was here previously, is they just have an elbow coming off of there. Again, a little bit obtrusive, a little bit ugly. So there's a couple of different options that we can do. One of them is a rain chain. It's a decorative little thing. Sometimes they're rings, sometimes they're a series of cones, but it'll just get that water to trickle down on the rain chain to the ground. So another option, if you don't like the rain chains or you don't like the elbow, is we're gonna take a piece of this coil for the same color of whatever gutter you're putting up. We're gonna bend it and craft it into a little spout. And it's gonna spread that water out just a little bit right in here. So it all doesn't come down as one chute, just kind of trickles out.